Good grief, thought Miss Mallard. This tells where the smugglers hide their loot. But does it mean over this bridge? And who is the sneezer? At that moment, Miss Mallard heard footsteps. The hashtags were standing overhead on the bridge. "Do you check the windmill?" asked the first henchman. "She wasn't there," said the second henchman. "What if we can't find her?" "You know the sneezer's orders." Tim, the answer. "He wants that book, and he's sure that Mallard has it. If we can't find her, we are to open the floodgates of dike to keep our operation from being discovered." "So," he added, "let's go back to the car and keep looking." She couldn't have gotten far on her bicycle. Miss Mallard kept very quiet until she heard a car drive away. Then she grabbed her bicycle and carried it up to the path. She looked around. The henchdogs were nowhere in sight. She spotted the windmill beyond the bridge and remembered Julia's secret message in the black book. "Eureka," thought Miss Mallard. Julia said, "Over the bridge. The goods are stored. That must be it. The smuggled goods are in the windmill."